here's today's weather on Saturday. So the day started out nice sunny, and then ended up, as the day progressed, we got clouds that came in, and then I had a sibling mowing the lawn. I usually do it, but I have to take an allergy pill and then get it done right after I take the allergy pill. But anyway, so they were mowing the lawn, and then just right as they were finishing up, right as they were finishing up, there was thunder, and then as soon as they got the lawnmower into the shed, it downpoured. But I think I better go back in. So, yeah. Before I get hit by lightning, because that was pretty close. So, but I love the sights, the sounds, the smells that come with these summer storms, spring summer storms. So, but I'm going to head back in and get dinner going and try not to get struck by lightning. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.